Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about how to print a table in Python using this range data type and what are iterable and non-iterable objects. So these two we will see in today's video. So let's see how to print a table in the sense by using range data type, how to print a table in Python. We will see now. So I'm opening Python command prompt. See here. Taking a variable called n is equals to 9. So in order to print a table, I'm using for loop. See here, for I'm taking a new variable called v. For v in range of, I'm declaring from 1 to 11. From 1 to 11 minus 1 means 10. From 1 to 10, it is going to create the sequence of integer values. So colon print. First I'm going to print the value called 9, right? So now I'm trying to print n. So next I'm trying to printing the v value. Because for first iteration v is equals to 1. For second iteration v is equals to 2. Like that, for 10th iteration v is equals to 10th. And next I try to multiply these n and v. So let's see. So 9 table has been retrieved by using these three lines of code. Place of n, if we took 13, so let's see the 13th table is coming or not. See here, 13th table has printed, right? So this is a way by using range data type and by using for loop, we can print tables in Python. So next we will see what is iterable and non-iterable objects. Let's go with iterable objects. An iterable object is one which contains 0 or 1 or more than one element. More than one element in the sense multiple elements and whose length is 0 or 1 or more. Whose length is greater than or equals to 0, whose length is greater than or equals to 0, an object has one value, 0 value, or more than one values, means multiple values, and whose length is 0 or greater than 0, then that object is known as iterable objects. So the examples are str, bytes, byte array, range, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dict. These data types are comes under iterable objects. So let's see what is non-iterable objects. Opposite to the iterable objects is non-iterable objects. A non-iterable object is one which contains only one element. So see here, zero elements or more than one element means it is known as iterable object. Here, a non-iterable object is one which contains only one element. Non-iterable object does not contains length or size. Not containing length, an object which contains only one element and it does not contains any type of length or size. No length should be provided for that object. So examples are int, float, bool, complex, none type. So let's see this in practical way. So for this object, I have taken list of elements. So now I'm trying to print this list and its type. See here. So this is our list and it comes under class list. Here LST is one object and it has multiple values. The length is 4. See, an object which has multiple values and whose length is greater than 0. Then then this LST is known as iterable object here. So this is an practical example for iterable objects. Now I'm trying to do with non-iterable objects. A equals to 25. See here, now I'm trying to print this value and its type. See, the value of A is 25 and it comes under class int, right? So now I'm trying to print the length of this A value. See here, an object which contains one element is known as iterable object, right? One or more than one, so it has one, so it is iterable, right? Now I'm trying to print the length of A. See here, it throws an error, type error. Object of type int has no length, means an object which contains one element and for that object's length should be existed, then only it is known as iterable object. For these objects there is no length. Here A is considered under non-iterable objects, means it has one value and there is no length for this value. See here, if we come to the theory part, non-iterable object is one which contains only one element. See here, only one element, and it does not contains any length or size, not containing length. So example int is there, right? This value comes under int. So that is the reason this object is known as non-iterable object. So this is all about iterable objects and non-iterable objects. So in upcoming episodes, we are going to see about list category data types. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all understand. Thank you so much for watching.